Come on. Come on.
You're doing it.
Yay!
Yeah, you're going forward. Hey, you're going forward. You're doing it.
Come
Keep
on.
going. Keep
Come
going.
on, come
Look at
on,
mama.
come on.
Look at mama.
Come on. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. That is the most pained, awkward crawling I have ever seen. Come on. Yay! Come on, baby. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Don't eat the rug. Come on. Come on, Utz. Hey. Ah! Come on, come on, come on.
Hold on. Oh, yes. Got it. Got it. Keep going.
He's totally crawling.
Oh, bud.
He's gonna keep moving farther away.
Yes, you are.
I don't know if we're trying to convince ourselves or not.
No, he is definitely going forward.
He is, he is.
All right, now he's giving up and he wants his clothes on. He's like, they're filming some clothes on me. Sorry. It's further away.
This isn't gonna teach him that there's any reward for crawling. Things just get farther away.